Now let us see about modern trend in taxonomy. The taxonomy means the science dealing with the study of classification including the basis, principles, rule and procedure is called taxonomy. Now see the topic modern taxonomy. The taxonomic now accept that the morphological characters alone should not be considered in systematic classification of plants. The complete knowledge of taxonomy is possible with the principle of various disciplines like cytology. Cytology means the study of cells, genetics, anatomy, physiology, geographical distribution, embryology, ecology, palynology, biochemistry, numerical taxonomy and transplant experiment. Then these have been found to be useful in solving some of the taxonomic problems by providing additional characters. Now it has changed the face of classification from alpha to omega. Alpha means classical taxonomy, omega modern kind of taxonomy. Thus the new systematic has evolved into a better taxonomy. Now see the topic hemotaxonomy. Hemotaxonomy or chemical taxonomy. The hemotaxonomy means hemotaxonomy is the scientific approach of classification of plants on the basis of their biochemical constitution is called hemotaxonomy. Then various medicines, spices and preservative obtained from plant have drawn the attention of taxonomists. The study of various chemicals available in plants help to solve certain taxonomical problems. Then the proteins are more closely controlled by genes and less subjected to natural selection. The proteins, amino acids, nucleic acids, the peptides, etc. are the most studied chemicals in chemotaxonomy. Then, now, the chemical characters can be divided into three main categories. First one, the easily visible characters like starch grains, silica, etc. Second one, the characters detected by chemical test like phenolics, oil, fat, waxes, etc. The third one, the protein. The hemotaxonomy has been used at all hierarchical level of the classification from the rank of variety up to the rank of division of plants. Then aim of chemotaxonomy. The first one aim of chemotaxonomy to develop taxonomic characters which may improve existing system of plant classification. Second one aim of chemotaxonomy to improve present day knowledge of phylogeny of plant. Next one topic is biosystematic or taxonomy. The biosystematic means the biosystematic is an experimental, ecological and cytotaxonomy. through which life forms are studied and their relationship are defined. The cytotaxonomy means the cytotaxonomy is the classification of organisms using comparative studies of chromosome during meiosis is called cytotaxonomy. Ecological means the study of environmental. Then the term biosystematic was introduced by Camp and Gilly in 1943. The many authors feel biosystematic is closer to cytogenetics and ecology and much importance given not to classification but to evolution. The cytogenetics. What is the meaning of cytogenetics? The cytogenetic is the study of ingredients in relation to the structure and function of chromosome is called cytogenetics. Ecology means the study of environment is called ecology. Next one, the aim of biosystematics. The first one aim of biosystematic to delimit the naturally occurring biotic community of plant species. Second one aim of biosystematic to establish the evolution of group of taxa on understanding the evolutionary and phylogenetic trend. Third one aim of biosystematic to involve any type of data gathering based on modern concept and not only on morphology and anatomy. The fourth aim of biosystematic to recognize the various groups as separate biosystematic categories such as ecotype, ecospecies, xenospecies and convarium. Ecotype means a distinct form or race of a plant or animal species occupying the particular habitat is called ecotype. The xenospecies is called a group of different species that the individuals of which produce partially fertile hybrid with crossbred. Then convarium means a group of organisms capable of direct or indirect interbreeding whether or not fertile hybrid result is called convarium.